I'm a big fan of mushrooms. One of my favorite things to do is go on a hike and look for mushrooms after a good rain. There's so many types and varieties in our own backyard. After doing a ton of research and learning all the health benefits of mushrooms, I decided to try these organic Lions Mane Mushroom Capsules from BEWORTHS. The pack comes shipped to your door with 120,000 milligram capsules of pure organic lion's mane. Spin it around and you have all your supplement facts nicely laid out. Notice that it's all organic. A serving size is 2 capsules, and they suggest taking 1 capsule twice a day, preferably with a meal. Before they arrived, I was feeling groggy all day. I felt aloof, was struggling with work, and couldn't kick it. Then they showed up in the mail. I took a break, ate some food, and took one of the capsules. A few hours later, I was working and feeling good. It might have been because of some good food, but it might have been because of the mushrooms too. Lion's mane are commonly known as a natural immune support that promotes mental clarity, focus, and better memory. It can also help improve your brain's function and help you get better sleep, which in turn gives you more energy and better overall mood and health. This is the perfect all-natural brain booster for working and studying. If you're a mushroom fan like me and look over the ingredients, you should recognize some of these common mushrooms. They have a strong medicinal value and can even be found in our own backyard. For instance, turkey tail mushrooms look like this. Not only does it look like a turkey tail, but it has a ton of health benefits and is often found to help with cancer patients. And then I'm pretty sure that we found a Ganoderma lucidum here too. However, mushrooms can be healthy, poisonous, or even spiritual, so you have to be careful when identifying and make sure that you're 100% sure what you're signing up for. But the good news is, BEWORTHS did the hard work for us and combined the best of the best to get rid of the mushroom guesswork and provide you with high-quality, healthy options. You could go out and dig in the mud and blend up your own concoctions like this if you really know your stuff. It is all natural after all. I showed you I have a lot of the ingredients already. Or you could take the easy route and get all the same benefits as those hippies in the woods without the hard work of digging up the mushrooms yourselves. I personally do both. I like popping a capsule before work and then go on a hunt for mushrooms in the evening. Sometimes both at the same time. These capsules are non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly. They're packed with essential vitamins and nutrients that help support health function, and I've just been loving them. I've been taking them every day, and I've been getting more productive and feeling more energy throughout the day. In my mind, there's no downside to mushrooms. Everyone serves their purpose, and they could be really beneficial in so many different ways. So if you'd like to get some as well, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go hunt some more mushrooms. See ya!